What causes the tickle response? If you laugh until you cry when someone touches a sensitive area on your body, you are ticklish. Some people are so ticklish they laugh or cringe at the slightest touch or at the anticipation of being tickled. Others don't crack a smile. Why do some people respond to the tickle response and others don't? What makes someone ticklish? There are a couple schools of thought on what makes someone ticklish. One theory is that being ticklish evolved as a defense mechanism to protect vulnerable areas of the body and to show submission. Another theory is that tickling encourages social bonding. For many people, tickling is unbearable, so why do they laugh? Scientists. Trusted source found being tickled stimulates your hypothalamus, the area of the brain in charge of your emotional reactions, and your fight or flight and pain responses. When you are tickled, you may be laughing not because you are having fun, but because you are having an autonomic emotional response. In fact, the body movements of someone being tickled often mimic those of someone in severe pain. Older research shows both pain and touch nerve receptors are triggered during tickling. And people laugh just as hard whether they are being tickled by a person or by a machine. Are you ticklish or just itchy? According to researchers, there are two types of tickling. Gargalesis is tickling that causes laughter, when someone touches ticklish areas of your body repeatedly. It can't be self-induced. Nysmesis is tickling caused by light motion on your skin that doesn't usually bring on laughter. This type of tickling may be self-induced. Nysmesis can make you feel itchy or tingly. You may not associate it with tickling because it's usually irritating. You could think you're just itchy. What spots on your body are commonly ticklish? You may be ticklish anywhere on your body. Commonly ticklish areas include stomach, sides, armpits, feet, neck. Supporters of the theory that tickling evolved as a defense mechanism may argue these areas are ticklish because they are the most vulnerable on your body. What age are babies ticklish? Laughter doesn't start in babies until they are around 4 months old. And they don't start responding to tickling with laughter until around 6 months of age. Despite the delay in laughter in response to tickling, it's thought that babies feel the sensation of being tickled, but they don't know where it's coming from. They don't initially associate the tickle sensation with the outside world or anything they see, smell, or hear. Tickle games are common between parents and babies. They are thought to encourage emotional and physical bonding. Still, like adults, babies may laugh when tickled, but not enjoy it. It may be fine to lightly stroke a baby's feet or gently rub their tummy. But serious tickling should wait until a child is older and can move away easily to indicate when they have had enough. Can you make tickling more enjoyable? Laughter is often associated with fun. But in the case of tickling, that isn't necessarily true. Some people enjoy the intimacy of tickling and the release of a good laughing session. For others, tickling is no laughing matter. If you want to make tickling more pleasurable, consider these tips. Tickle areas that are less sensitive such as the palms, top of the feet, and back of the head. Tickle slowly and gently. Tickle with a feather instead of your hands. Don't be rough or aggressive, keep it playful. No matter where you fall on the ticklish spectrum, it's important to have boundaries.